Okay, so here is the best way on how you can fix Swiggy multiple accounts detected. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can fix this problem. So here are a few fixes in front of us on the screen. So I'll explain all of them and we'll tell you how you can fix it. First one being clear Swiggy app data. Go to settings and then apps Swiggy and then storage, then clear data and then clear caching. Once this is done, just open the app and log in again with only one account. Now, the second fix is change phone number or email. Swiggy might have flagged your current number. Try registering with a fresh email or a different number. Now, a fix number 3, reset device ID or advertising ID. This resets your tracking Swiggy uses. Like for Android, it's just gonna you just need to go to settings, privacy, ads, and then resetting advertising ID, and then restart your phone. After that, you can avoid a VPN or parallel space. Swiggy can detect VPN usage or app cloners, such as dual apps, parallel space, or island, and even rooted phone and emulators. Just be careful and disable or uninstall them before opening Swiggy. Now the fix number 5 is going to be reinstall Swiggy. Just basically uninstall the app and restart the phone and reinstall the app from your Play Store or App Store or whatever, and then log in with only one account. And after that, contact Swiggy support. So you can also contact them by just ask them to remove flag from your account because you changed phone, your factory reset recently, and a friend logged in with your device, common issue, and then they're just gonna reach out within 22 to 48 hours. And yeah, this is it. So I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.